Hi guys, I'm gonna be singing Someone Like You by Adele. I hope that you settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I hope that your dreams change just the way you think. I didn't get to. Oh, friend, you're so shy, and I'll keep holding how come to life. I hate to think that it was you and right, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I up to my face, and that's the feeling now it's back on me. It is no. Never mind, I'm fine. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me. I remember you said sometimes you love, sometimes it hurts inside. Sometimes you love, sometimes it you know sometimes only yesterday was our time of our life when we fell and ran and rain found our future friend about the story again. I hate to turn on better doing one body, but I couldn't stay away. I couldn't fight it. I hope to see my face, and that you be reminded that for me it is over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. There's nothing, nothing. Don't forget me, I remember you said sometimes it lasts, sometimes it hurts. Nothing compares, no work is okay. Regret me, mistakes and memories. Even have gone bittersweet. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Don't forget me, I remember you said sometimes you let me out, but sometimes you hurt me. You might not find someone like you.